like the view up here. So after some sweet talking my good buddy Paul Rogers over at Swarf Works into building me a winch mount for the Rebel, I finally got one installed. I went ahead and bolted in the Warn Zeon Platinum 10S, and as you can see, I went with some Factor 55 tackle. I got the Ultra Hook here. Something I like about the Ultra Hook is that you can get this optional rope guard. That way when your hook is against your fair lead, you're driving down the road, you don't have to worry about all that crap and crud and stuff, just, you know, pelting the eyelet. So it kind of keeps that protected. Also helps for when you're dragging the rope across sharp rocks and stuff like that. And something I absolutely love about this winch is it's got this wireless remote. And this thing's got a pretty decent range. I can go anywhere from 300 to 500 feet from the truck with this and still get a signal. Meaning when I spool out 100 foot of line, I can hook it onto something and I can go ahead and tension that line and I don't have to worry about it. As long as the truck has power, this thing's always getting...
Hey asshole, you're parked in my driveway again.
I'm in the middle of trying to film...
I don't care about your stupid vlog.
Not a stupid vlog, man. Come on, it's...
What's that? Move your truck?
No, don't move the truck. No, opposite of move the truck means don't move the truck. Let me get myself down. Whoa, shit. No. Son of a bitch.
Have fun filming the side of your house for the next 10 hours.
You dick. And a little remote start action. Got that Uconnect app, remote start. Have fun with your cam phasers, bitch. Good things come to those who wait, and this was worth the wait. We've got the front bumper pulled off, and what you're looking at here is the Swarf Works hidden winch mount for the new Ram 1500 series. It's designed to work with your factory bumper grill insert. For me, having a winch is crucial, not only for trail use, but also for the commute. I live in a snow state at 7,000 feet altitude, which means just driving down the highway can land you in a position of being stuck, or provide opportunities to help those who may already be stuck. I want to show you a few things about this winch mount. Now keep in mind that Swarf Works isn't some backyard burner with a small operation. Everything they do is top-notch and critically designed by an actual engineer. These pieces are cut on an 8,000 watt laser, then bent in a 6-axis CNC press brake, and after that they make their way to the robot welder. It's all constructed from 1/4 inch cold rolled steel that gets conveyor fed into a multi-million-dollar powder coat line. Now the Zeon Platinum 10S is a big winch. There's no need to relocate the control pack of the winch with the design of this mount. You'll notice this particular mount puts the winch closer to the bumper, which means you get the benefit of a shorter fair lead shim stack that puts the fair lead hawse outside the face of the bumper. This means you're not limited by the line entry into the fair lead hawse. So if you have a severe side pull or downward or upward angle, it's not going to be an issue. Going back to the mount itself, keep in mind, you're not limited to only using the Zeon Platinum series. This mount will hold most winches. But if you're gonna spend this much money on a truck, then why skimp out? A key advantage to the Zeon Platinum is you get a remote operated clutch. That means you don't have to be at the front of your truck to engage or disengage free spool mode. So you can easily free spool line. That means you can be inside the truck or hanging off the side of your house and still operate the winch by yourself. There's no cables to fumble with or some wireless dongle you have to remember to plug in. So there you have it, a closer look at the Swarf Works hidden winch mount for the Ram 1500 series. If you've ever wanted a winch on the front end of your Ram, then swing on over to swarfworks.com and check it out. Until next time.